Hello everyone and welcome. I have this look I want to create for you guys today, and it's using this Ruby Kisses Dear Diary series palette in Sunset Kiss. I have two of these. The other one's called Daily Living Dear Diary series, and these colors are very beautiful. Anyways, I did my brows. The Ruby Kisses pencil, believe it. Yeah, this pencil used to be long. It's in brunette. Kisses comes with the sharpener. And I prime my eyelids with the Ruby Kisses 24-Hour Magic Eyelid Primer that I had depotted. And I'm scraping from along the sides. It's almost done. Happy about that. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is grab the palette. And I'm going to be applying that eyeshadow right there on my lid. How you guys doing? Hope you're all very, very well. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm doing good. Thank God. This color is just so beautiful. Okay, have that. And I'm gonna, from this palette, grab that eyeshadow right there. It's the only matte, I believe, in this palette. Yeah, it is. Anyways, I'm gonna take my GOV palette and pick up that matte brown right there. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up that gorgeous purple right there where my finger is. You know, like I've always told my kids, follow your instincts. And if you go to a party or a bar, because they're older now, you know. Well, I told them this when they were teens, gearing towards their 20s. If you buy a drink or a beer, and you set it down, and you go to the dance floor to dance, or to the bathroom, and you left your drink there, when you come back, it's not yours anymore. And be careful who you take drinks from. Anyways, I never had problems with my kids with drugs, thank God. Oh yeah, I'm placing that purple in the crease. You know, it's hard enough being a parent these days. You know, and you gotta worry about all this other stuff. I raise my children that they can come and talk to me, to speak to me. You know, I don't have to be afraid to speak to me. But first and foremost, I'm mom. Okay? And you're living under my roof, and it's what I say. That's all. That's what I say.